Hi, my name is Bianca. Thank you so much for watching. So today I just really wanted to play again with the Neon Huda Beauty palette. I have the orange palette and I really wanted to play with the green shade today. So I kind of created this halo eye and then I smudged along my lower lash line as well. So if you are interested on how I achieved this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so jumping right into the tutorial, I'm taking this Jawbreaker palette from Urban Decay, and I'm taking the lightest shade Ball Out, and I'm running that in my crease and buffing that out using a fluffy brush. Now you can use any light brown shade. Next, I'm jumping into a darker brown. This is 7 and 7. Again, you can use any colors that you have at home. You don't have to use this exact palette. And then hopping into Knockout, and I'm starting to blend that in an outward V in my crease, and also putting that on the inner corner of my eye, making a kind of halo effect. Okay, and then I'm using the same technique that I used in my last video to create this spotlight, and using concealer to map out where I want to put the middle shade. And once I've blended out that concealer, I'm taking the lime green shade and I'm popping that on the center of my lid. And next I decided to grab Girl Crush from that Troublemaker palette and marry the shade in between the dark brown and the lime green just to add a little bit more color and flavor. Next I'll be tightlining with a kohl liner, and then I'll place mascara. I'm using the Essence Princess Lash Mascara, and then using a mattifying primer, and then the It Cosmetics CC Cream Your Skin But Better. I'm dotting that all over my face and then blending it out with the Morphe sponge. I'm using the Catrice Prime and Fine Spray, and then I'm using the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer underneath my eyes, doing one eye at a time. To set underneath my eyes and my entire face, I'm using the Pretty Vulgar Translucent Powder. To contour my nose, I'm using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm using the darkest shade, and then I'm going to carve out my nose using the Pretty Vulgar Translucent Powder again. And then to bronze, I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in Deep Bronze, and hitting my cheekbones, my temples, and underneath my jawline. Light, I'm using Wet n Wild Mega Glow in the shade Blossom Glow. For blush, I'm using the Balm Cosmetics in the shade Balm Springs, placing that all over my cheeks and on my nose. And then I'm also going to take that same lime green shadow and place it on the lower lash line. And lastly, for lips, I'm taking the NYX Cosmetics liner in Sandstorm and then filling it in with the Smashbox liquid lip in the shade Coral. Hide that double chin, I'm just going to chisel out a little further with that Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. All right, that is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!